If you own a YouTube channel or plan on starting one, YouTube just announced some of the biggest monetization changes we have seen in years, starting on February 1st, 2027. Whether you are already monetized or working toward your first dollar, these new rules directly impact how you earn money, how much watch time you need, and how active your channel must stay. In this video, we are going to break down every single update in plain simple English so you know exactly what to do and how to prepare. First, let us talk about the biggest headline change, getting monetized for the first time. Starting February 1st, 2027, YouTube is doubling the entry requirement for new creators wanting to join the YouTube Partner Program. Instead of needing 4,000 watch hours, you will now need 8,000 qualified public watch hours in the past 365 days. If you rely on YouTube Shorts, the entry target is also doubling from 10 million views to 20 million qualified Shorts views in 90 days. The subscriber requirement stays the same at 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you are worried about early monetization like super chats and memberships, there is good news. The entry requirements for fan funding are not changing at all. You can still unlock memberships, super thanks, and YouTube shopping once you hit 500 subscribers and either 3,000 watch hours or 3 million shorts views. If you're already in the YouTube Partner Program, do not panic. You will not be kicked out just because of the new 8,000 watch hour entry rule. However, YouTube is introducing strict new channel activity rules to keep your monetization active. To remain active in the program, your channel must meet at least one of three basic activity conditions every 90 days. You either need 1,000 watch hours over the last year, 1 million shorts views over the last 90 days, or you must upload at least 2 long-form videos or 5 shorts every 90 days. If your channel drops below these activity levels, YouTube gives you a 90-day grace period to get your numbers back up before taking away monetization. Next up is a massive update specifically for Shorts creators regarding monthly earnings. Currently, once you are in the partner program, you share in Shorts ad revenue automatically. Under the new policy, to receive monthly payouts from the Shorts creator pool, you must maintain at least 10 million qualified Shorts views over the trailing 90 days. Missing this 10 million threshold will not remove you from the partner program or affect your long-form earnings, but you will miss out on the Shorts pool payout for that month. On the flip side, YouTube is adding new ways for Shorts creators to earn extra income. They are introducing targeted ad placements, where if an advertiser targets 5 or fewer specific channels, those creators get a direct 45% revenue share on top of pool earnings. They are also launching new incentive programs with brand deal production credits and shopping bonuses. Another major upgrade is happening with YouTube Premium earnings through the expansion of Premium Lite worldwide. YouTube shared that creators actually earn more per viewer from premium subscribers than from traditional ads. With Premium Lite, creators will share in a revenue pool equal to 60% of net subscription revenue compared to 30% for standard premium viewers. Finally, there is a strict legal deadline. Every creator needs to write down January 31, 2027. YouTube is updating its legal contract structures, including moving everyone on older fan funding terms to the Unified Commerce product module. You must log into YouTube Studio and accept these updated terms by January 31, 2027, or your monetization will be paused starting February 1st. To sum it up, focus on consistent uploads, keep an eye on your activity metrics in YouTube Studio, and make sure to sign the new agreement before the deadline.